How to make coaching or consulting website on Squarespace. Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm gonna step by step show you how to create your own website on squarespace.com. First of all, it may sound complicated, but in fact it's really easy to do, and in a few minutes I will show you how to do it. Firstly, you need to create an account or log into your account on squarespace.com. As you can see, I already did it and I'm in my account. Next, you just need to click this white button, get started. And now you need to choose what type of website do you want to create, what's your site about. So we need coaching or maybe consulting. So just type, for example, yes, professional coaching. Next, what do you want to do with your website? So basically here you need to answer the purpose of your website. So I think we need to sell memberships, maybe promote, no, publish a blog or other media, build community, sell online courses, of course, maybe sell services, and here you need to answer by yourself. Just choose whatever you want, whatever you need. How would you like to start building your website? So basically guys, here you have two options. You can build with AI technology or you can browse templates. To be honest, I'm not a big fan of artificial intelligence in the Squarespace, so I prefer to choose from a curated set of professionally designed website templates. Here we can have best template matches. Also here we can manage some stuff, for example unselect some points, for example memberships, or select, for example, donations. And here we can choose some topics, or for example guys, if you don't like any of those, you can, for example, choose another topic, for example food here, and fully rework this one template to do it about coaching and consulting. Or you can make a blank template to make site from scratch. But in this video we will choose the template that Squarespace is offer for us. For example, let's pick this one. You can see Meridian Coaching. Here you can change sample color presets. For example, I don't really like this yellow or something. Yeah, this blue, I like it. So let's start with this design. And while we are waiting until everything closes, guys, I want to say you that Squarespace.com is the best option to create your own sites, because you don't need to know any of programming languages. You just need to use a website to create your own website. That's why I highly recommend you to try this website, Squarespace.com. I really like it. And the next step that we need to create a name for our website. So for example, I'm gonna name it Let the Coach, because Vlad is my name. Yes, and for example, I'm a coach. Some tips, I don't need them. So first of all, you need to click on this button pages, and here you can get info about your pages. You can have main navigation, menu, courses, work with me, podcast, about, and add some new pages. You can easily delete some of them. For example, this podcast, easily deleted. So basically here you can manage pages that you have on your website. Next one, styles. Here you can change styles, themes, fonts, colors, buttons, forms, whatever you want. We need to reload page. Basically, here you can manage some stuff about your website. You can manage donations, content, membership, scheduling, marketing. Here you can have analytics about your website. You can check traffic, visits, amount of visits, bounce rate, unique visitors. Very interesting. Here you can check geography of your visitors, and here you can get info about search keywords. Very interesting one. I really like this in squarespace.com. So, how to edit your website? Click this button, edit. And here you can edit almost everything. You can drag it, you can change the size, you can change the content, the text in this case. So just can delete it, write whatever you want. For example, my name is Vlad, and I can be your coach, just for an example. Family, work life, yes, that's nice. And this is work with me button, very nice one. Obviously you can change this image here. First of all, I want to make it a bit smaller, and of course I need to change it because I'm not a girl. Here you can click on this button, edit and replace. You can upload it from your computer, or you can search from a free library. For example, coach. Yeah, of course, sports coach. Okay, doesn't matter. I think you need to choose your photo here, but you can delete it. Or you can delete it like this and add blog. So blog is some stuff, some content, for example, text, button, image, video, audio. As you can see, easily you can add image, you can add new text here. You can write whatever, for example, work with me and your life will be better. Also, you can see how our page is divided into several sections. This one, first section, header, next section here, this is next section. You can delete it easily if you don't like this section, and you can add new one by clicking this button. You can add blank section, you can add for example, intro, contact, about, section, people, whatever. I don't like this section, it's like too boring. I want to add a background here, so click edit section. Here you can manage design and you can add background image, for example this one. Okay, and here it is. In general, guys, the site has a lot of functions, so I recommend you trying to explore it yourself. Here you can toggle to mobile view to check it out, what it will be look like on mobile device. Also, I recommend you to click save button as frequently as possible, just to not lose your progress. And when you're done editing your website, you need to click exit and subscribe to upgrade your account to be able to publish your website. Publish your website is essential, so anyone can see it, obviously. Yes. Subscribe. You need to select a plan here. You can have personal, business, basic, advanced. Just here choose whatever you need. Here you can check the advantages of any plan here. Most popular one is business plan, only $23 per month. So guys, I think that in this video I showed you enough of the basics of using this website. I really hope you liked this video, and thank you for watching. See you in the next videos. Goodbye.